So they would lose, let's say, the first 2 months in Shenzhen just by reworking their existing product, which they thought was ready.
For people who want to learn about this kind of stuff, they can just spend a few weeks or maybe a few months in around Troublemaker, living around Troublemaker, and just go there every day to learn, right?
Yes, that is one of the ways. That is how we kind of sold our services until August last year. And in August last year, we launched an online membership. We can educate people. So that's what I wanted to say. We saw people coming to Shenzhen, and when they thought we come to Shenzhen and we start produce, they still needed sometimes 2 weeks to 2 months to rework their design before they can go ahead. So they would lose, let's say, the first 2 months in Shenzhen just by reworking their existing product, which they thought was ready. And I said to myself, whatever we teach them here in these 2 months, we can teach them online. They don't really need to be in Shenzhen, because all what we did was mentoring them and give them and then give them a place to stay. And so these people need to fly to China, they need to book a hotel, they need to pay our membership, and they need to pay for people who support them. And at home, all the cost also continues. So their home or office, whatever, the cost continues, and they can't work there because they're here. So it's a pretty expensive endeavor to come to China. And if you're not ready, you think you're ready, but you're not. That's unexpected disappointment. So if you are an online member of Troublemaker, you can get all of that while you stay in your office, do your normal work. You don't pay anything for airplane tickets or hotels, whatever. And when you're ready, then you can book your ticket and come to China.
Just to give people a sense of the price, in terms of like living in like around Troublemaker, right? How much does this cost for hotel per night? I mean, per day, I mean.
That varies anywhere from $10 to $100 per night. It really depends.
We're talking about USD, right? Or, Yep, exactly. Okay, cool. Yeah. So your online program is quite valuable then, yeah.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
So yeah, it is better to join your online program first to understand the situation before,
Yeah, if you take an average hotel for let's say $50 a night, and you need to spend that here for 2 months, that's a reasonable amount of money.
Yeah.
It's cheaper to work remotely, to get yourself ready, to get educated, and only come here on a moment when you are ready to actually to hit the road running.
Yeah. So people who are trying to produce the product or trying to finish the prototype, they should definitely join your program then. Yeah.